Today I'm going to be talking about storage devices. Windows and Linux file system structure. FAT and NTFS are the file systems used by Windows, whereas Linux uses a variety of file systems. Linux, unlike Windows, can boot from a network disk. In Linux, everything is either a file or a process. Data partitions and swap partitions are the two types of primary partitions in Linux. Because swap partitions exist, you will never run out of memory on Linux, like in Windows. Only a small number of recovery tools are available for Windows. However, for Linux file systems, a huge number of Unix based recovery tools are accessible. I would personally prefer Windows over Linux from a business perspective, as Windows is updated regularly as opposed to Linux, which means with Linux, your business would have to take a more active role in securing your business from digital threats. Windows seamlessly integrates with well known services, software, and applications from day one. Storage area networks. Storage area networks are dedicated networks that connect storage devices and servers at high speeds. To make it easier for storage devices to share data, they usually use specialized fiber channel interconnections. By keeping storage traffic distinct from the rest of the network, SANs increase application availability and performance while also allowing them to better manage and distribute storage resources. Network attached storage. As a means of accessing and managing the data housed within SAN blocks, network attached storage, also known as NAS, is frequently used in combination with a SAN system. The majority of NAS servers connect to the network via a regular Ethernet connection and employ a specific operating system to manage data via well established protocols. Both network attached storage and storage area networks were created to address the issue of making stored data available to a large number of users at the same time. Each of them provides dedicated storage for a group of customers, but their approaches to accomplishing their goals could not be more dissimilar. A NAS is a single storage device that serves data over Ethernet and is affordable and simple to set up, whereas a SAN is a tightly connected network of several devices that is more expensive and difficult to set up and run. Christian worldview. Acting in good faith, gratuity, and congruence, and sharing knowledge, resources, and information, giving justice in an asymmetrical power relationship, and having a positive ethical influence within a network are all ethical considerations of using storage devices in an enterprise network from a Christian perspective. It would be beneficial if I used ethics in my decision making. Ethics would act as a role model for myself and others. My work career will be influenced by my ethical actions. Ethics in decision making will lead to decisions that are not in the best interest of the individual. And here are my references.